The year is almost over, and you have decided you're not rolling into the next one without your SB. Good, that's the energy I like. You are done waiting, you are done wishing, you're done pretending like this is out of your control. It is time to make it happen. First off, forget this whole idea that it is too late or that time is running out. Time is just an illusion. You don't manifest based on time, you manifest based on what you persist in. The only reason you haven't gotten what you want yet is because you've been inconsistent, bouncing between believing it is done and worrying that it might not be. That stops right now. From this moment on, you are all in. No doubts, no hesitation, and no excuses. Here's the deal. Manifesting your SB by the end of the year is easy. Yes, I said easy. Stop acting like it's this huge mountain that you need to climb. It is not. The only thing standing between you and your SB is your mind, your thoughts, your assumptions. And you can change those in an instant. So stop telling yourself this nonsense about how hard it is or how you need to figure it out. There is nothing to figure out. You already know what to do. Repetition, that's it. Repetition is the only thing you need. You pick your assumption and you hammer it into your brain like your life depends on it. They're mine, they're obsessed with me, they can't stop thinking about me. You say it until it becomes second nature, until it feels like the most obvious truth in the world. And no, I don't care if you believe it right away. Belief comes from repetition. You say it long enough, you will believe it. Okay, let's talk about this end of the year deadline. Stop using it as an excuse to freak out. This isn't about pressure, it's about focus. The deadline isn't there to stress you out, it's there to light a fire under you. It's there to remind you that you are in control and that you can make this happen. And don't even think about blaming the 3D. I don't want to hear about how they are with someone else, how they have never texted you, or how it's been too long since you've been in contact, or even how they've blocked you. Do you know what that is? Noise, static, distractions. The 3D doesn't matter. It's just old assumptions playing out. You want to change it? Change your assumptions. The second you stop reacting to the 3D, you win. Here's what you do. You wake up every day and you decide that it's done. You don't hope, you don't wish, you decide. My SP is mine. They love me. They are obsessed with me. You say it in your head, you say it out loud, you write it down. I don't care how you do it, but you do it over and over and over until there is no room in your mind for anything else. And when those doubts creep in, and they will probably, you just shut them down. You don't entertain them. You don't spiral. You don't wait until you feel better. You immediately flip the script. Doubts say, what if they don't text you? And you say, they're texting me right now. Doubts say, what if they've moved on? You say, they can't move on because I am unforgettable. You don't give doubt a single inch. Remember this. They have no free will in your reality. None. Zero. Zilch. The only reason they are not acting the way that you want is because you haven't told them to yet. Your assumptions are their instructions. You assume they love you and they will love you. You assume they are ignoring you and they will ignore you. So stop assuming things that you don't want. If you don't assume the thing that you want yet, keep flipping the script. Keep drilling the new story into your brain until it sticks. And don't even think about giving up. You're not here to settle. You're not here to whine about how it's taking too long. You are here to win. You are only available for success. You're only available for winning. And you win by persisting. This isn't about waiting for signs or hoping that they'll reach out. This is about deciding that it's done and refusing to waver. You've got a few weeks left in this year. That's more than enough time. Time doesn't matter when you're in control. You could manifest them tomorrow if you just stop doubting and persisting. So get to work. Start affirming, start assuming, and don't stop until you get what you want. Because you are going to get what you want. They are yours right now, not next year, not next month, now. Why? Because you said so, and that is all that matters.